Hi friends, it's me Neema and this is Neema's Kitchen. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a perfect vanilla cupcakes. The texture is light, fluffy and it just melts in your mouth. So let's get started. First step is to line the cupcake trays with liners. Here I am using the silicone one, but you can use the paper liners. Let's keep this aside. Next step is to sift together all the dry ingredients. So here I am having 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, into this I am going to add in a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Mix this well. And keep this aside. Now to another bowl, let's add in 150 gram of butter and 2/3 cup of powdered sugar and whisk it. Further, add in 1 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 3 eggs. Combine it. Further, add flour in batches and combine. Mix all the ingredients well until it is well incorporated. Gently fold it. Our batter is ready, so let's pour it into our cups. See, our tray is all set to bake and here I am going to bake it at 160 degree for 17 minutes and then 180 degrees centigrade for another 3 more minutes. See, our cupcakes are perfectly baked, so soft. If you wish, you can even decorate these cupcakes with some delicious frosting and serve. Isn't it a quick recipe? And trust me, it turns out awesome. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.